So now let's start porting our app to Marshmallow, and I'm going to juggle my windows a little bit so that I can see what's going on over here. And I'm going to start by creating all of these activities. So let me go ahead. And in the previous version, you can right-click on Java and say New Activity, and then blank activity. But here, sometimes when you do this, it's not doing it right now, but sometimes it gives you an error that says that this class name is not correct, is not a legal class name, and the package name will be blank. And you can fix that by filling in the correct package name. But the other way to deal with that is don't right-click on Java. Select App and right-click on that and say New Activity, blank activity from here instead. So notice I'm taking blank activity instead of 1.0.1 blank activity. And this one is going to be custom. And I'm just going to use the defaults for here. And then the hierarchical parent is going to be the package name dot main activity, just like before. Leave this target source set to main. So there's the first one. And then I'm going to do the next one, new activity, blank activity, dark. And I copied and pasted the correct hierarchical parent before, so finish. And now I'm going to do light, new activity, blank activity, light, paste in the hierarchical parent, finish. And then finally light, dark, bar. Light, dark, bar. Paste in the parent name. Great, so those are all of the activities that I need. And now I have both an activity under whatever the activity name was, .xml, which is for the whole activity, and then a content, which is going to be the content part of the activity. So twice as many layouts as before. Now let's go to the styles. And once again, I'm going to get rid of this styles.xml for version 21 and up. And then in styles.xml, I have this app theme. If I look at the previous version under styles, app theme is this thing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this stuff. Everything between the two resources tags, between where resources start and where resources end. And then I'm going to use that to replace this app theme style here. So now I'm getting some warnings about these drawables, so I need those as well. So let's go ahead and take care of those. I'm going to go to the drawable folder, and then here, the drawable folder. And I'm going to copy all of these resources except for this folder here. So let me select those, Control-C to copy. Then click on drawable, Control-V to paste. Say OK. And then I'm going to select these three, Control-C to copy. And click on drawable, Control-V to paste. So now I have all the drawables. I'm still getting warnings about these app-compat things. So it's actually saying ActionBar style requires API level 11, and I'm currently at 10. So to keep life easy, I'm just going to go ahead and go to my Gradle project build.gradle, actually module build.gradle, and I'm going to change the min SDK version to 11. And click Sync Now. Okay, so that didn't take too long. So now I'm going to go back to my styles, and now I'm not getting any warnings. So everything's looking good so far. Now, one thing that's different is that I have to define these app theme, no action bar, app bar overlay, pop-up overlay for each theme that I create that wants to have an action bar. And so I have one for the default app theme now, but I don't have one for these other themes. So I need one for light theme, light dark bar theme, and custom theme. So basically I need 4 copies of these 3 things. So I'm going to copy that and paste 4 of those in, 2, 3, 4. And then the first copy, I'm going to change app theme to light theme, which is the name of the theme. And I'm going to do that in all 3 of these. So there's my light theme. Now I'm going to do that for dark theme as well. For 3. And then the last one was light dark bar, I think. Light dark bar theme. So light oops, should have been this one. There we go. And then the last one is custom theme. And then this last one was the original one, I think. Yep. So I should be in good shape now. Now let's change our layouts to actually use these themes. So I'm going to go to Layout, and I'll just go through the list one at a time. So Activity Custom, that wants to use custom theme. So custom and custom theme. I think those are the only 2 changes I need here. And then for dark, we'll use dark theme. And for light, we'll use the light theme. And then for light dark bar, light dark bar theme. And that should be everything for our styles.